Thinking outside, box Chevy, color paint, shift change, so hard you can't tell it. I done passed go already, leaving tire marks at the red light from a Chevy.
What it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Thinking Outside the Box Chevy, man, and I'm here again with part 2 of the video of me going ahead trying to knock out this driver's side suspension. As you already see, I'm outside with it, man. I'm in the backyard, so therefore it is mosquitoes out here, man. Fire, mosquitoes, the problem. So I'm finna go ahead and try to knock this down. It's 8 o'clock, and I'll see what I get after this. Right, so just keep in mind, man, we is looking good on that passenger side, though. Everything is good, you know? So just know that it's almost go time. Rock-a-bye, baby. All right, so I'm finna go ahead and take off this brake caliper. Take that brake caliper off, man, and take the rotor off. But first I gotta take that little spindle nut off to the point where it's nothing but the spindle. Last time I took it off with the rotor on it, it seemed like it was too much work. Air ball joint there, all of that stuff was broke loose. All I gotta do is knock it loose. I always have a hard time trying to get these joints up because I don't got the tube, but there's a way. I got that one out, so it don't matter. But let's get to it.
Switch it up.
Now I don't know, YouTube, man. This joint, man, is the only one I got, and this is supposed to be the 3/8 that work on the caliper. It appears that they probably changed that bolt, or it's just rusty. Let me try to get back up to y'all in a second. All right, so that was a no-go, man. So I'm gonna just have to take the whole caliper off with the spindle. So I'm gonna have to move this tire and get this jack up underneath there, just to put a little pressure up on that spring. Let's get to it. All right, so I got the jack up underneath there. You know, it is there. And I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the spindle and everything off. Take care of the upper ball joint, then the lower ball joint. Everything is broken loose, so it all should come off. Let me set y'all up. Just like that, we got the top of the spindle off. As you seen how that came up, it's good preparation to have that jack up underneath there, because other than that, you know, things could have went other places. So all off in one piece, I got that, and that's pretty much gonna leave me to 3 things to go ahead and attack, and that's the upper control arm, the lower control arm, well, make it 4 things, the shock absorber and the springs, and we'll be on one. I'm gonna go ahead and take that brake line off. It's stressing out over there.
Switch it.
And just like that, we got a whole spindle and brake caliper and all. That kind of helped me out. Shit, hell. That ball joint just fell out. Look at that. It was in pieces. Good thing, you know what I'm saying? All of this is being getting taken care of, so that's what I'm talking about. My fire's still going. I ain't been getting bugged by no bugs or nothing like that. So I guess that means it's go time, right? Let's get it. All right, so now I'm in a position where I got my shock absorber in between the spring. I gotta take off 2 bolts. I got the jack up underneath the lower control arm to give the lower control arm, you know, a little resistance. But even so, when I do let it down, it's not gonna come out because it is still mounted up, and for one, it's mounted up at the bottom. So I'll be able to remove the jack, get it up underneath here, and get things out the way so I could remove the shock absorber. Man, the hell with that. First, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to take off that upper control arm. All right, so I got the 2 bolts up out of the upper control arm, and I'm gonna just go ahead and try to beat it out of position. It's no good no more, so it gotta go. Adios.
Switch it.
Just like that, we got our upper control arm out. Okay, so now what I gotta do is get up underneath the vehicle and unscrew the shock absorber. I got 2 bolts down below. Cut. I ain't gonna lie, YouTube. I had to knock out those 2 bolts at the bottom of the shock absorber. They separated, you know, it's like a bolt on a nut. So I got those 2 off. I'm gonna go ahead and try to attack that little double nut bolt, whatever you want to call it. Surprisingly, it's just turning. I don't know, but it's just turning. So now that'll just lead me to try to get this spring up out of here. So this shock should just drop straight down with no hesitation. Yeah, I'm out here getting it in for y'all, YouTube, man, for real. Cause I want it done just as much as y'all do. As you see, it just fell right out. So we got our shock absorber. All right, so now, man, only thing I got is the spring and the lower control arm. So I'm just finna go ahead and let the odds be against me, man, and get out the way and hit this thing and let it be so. And just like that, YouTube, man, we got us a spring. Let me put a little light up. So we got the spring up out of there. We got everything up out of there, man. Just gotta knock those pins up out of that lower control arm, and then it's been one. Just like that. Fire done went out. Took about an hour and a half, hour 45 minutes to get it done. But it's there, man. Let's go. All right, YouTube, man. I'm gonna try to go ahead and knock these two pins up out this lower control arm, man, and get it moving for the night, because that'll complete the job. Let's go. Not my day right there when it comes to that, YouTube, but I got pretty much everything done, man. That's it for tonight. I'm done. D-O-N-E. For real. Here we go, man. And it's hot outside, too. I want y'all to know that. It's hot. I couldn't get that last two bolts off on the lower control arm, but everything else is off. Everything else is over here. That's how we doing it. That's how we doing it. Both sides knocked down. And that's how we gonna rock it tonight, man. But this your boy Thinking Outside the Box Chevy, man. Letting y'all know, man, I'm in it to win it, man, and I'm up out of here.
Thinking outside, box Chevy, color paint, shift change, so hard you can't tell it. I done passed go already, leaving tire marks at the red light from a Chevy. Interior.